Hello friends, welcome again. This is Rajan. I hope you are doing great. First and foremost, a very happy new year to you guys. I wish you have a great year ahead. So I recently came across this very interesting multi-year breakout pattern, and I just thought I would share this as a first video of this year to you guys, and I hope it's very helpful to you. Okay, so the stock is not ACC, but Tata Power. Okay, so if you look at this pattern, I'm just going to change this into monthly time frame, and if you look at it, this started right from January 2008, and there has been many resistance at the top, like almost 4 to 5 resistance at the top, and again 4 to 5 supports at the bottom. And I think that there's going to be a breakout this time. The reason why I think there is going to be a breakout is because previous time, if you look at it, the volumes were not so good, even the buying volumes. If you compare it with this momentum, you can see the fine difference, right? These green candles are smaller in nature, but this one I can see the buying momentum here. The momentum is really good, and that's why I think there could be a breakout. And okay, so here's the thing, it's not going to be very easy after the breakout. What normally beginners would think is that right after the breakout every stock will fly like anything, like from 86 there will be just 4-5 candles and then I will book my profits. No, it's not going to be like that. Here are the different outcomes that you can expect from this. Okay, one is the stock may fly like what I told you, which is highly unlikely to happen. And the other scenario is the stock may go up a little bit and then take a retrace to the trend line and then go back up again. Okay, and then there is another scenario. Keep in mind that this is monthly time frame, and in order for this breakout to be a valid one, you have to wait for the entire month, this month, which is January 2021. So wait for the close, and then once you confirm that okay, the breakout is solid after the 30 of this month, you can confirm that it's a breakout and then take the trades accordingly. Alternatively, other thing could happen, like there could also be a shooting star or some kind of a reversal pattern or some kind of a red candle. Okay, and then there could be a small candles here as a retrace, and then there could be a breakout. So here are the 3 outcomes, and I want you guys to be prepared for that, because stop loss is very important. Make sure you plan your stop loss before your entry. So I've given you 3 outcomes, so you prepare your stop loss. It can be either the swing low, it can be this candle low, or this candle low. It all depends on each risk appetite, and strictly this is not a call, this is just for educational purpose. Please do not buy just because I posted this video. I've posted this only because I found it interesting, and you could probably just be a spectator and watch and see how it turns out after this. Okay, I expect a breakout this time, mainly because the buying momentum is good, and I just expect it only because of this reason. Okay, and let's hope that there is a breakout, and this is mainly for a positional trading, guys. People try to do intraday in weekly time frame and monthly time frame. I mean, beginners, not people. Beginners try to do it. Don't even do that. Don't even trade in intraday with higher time frame. Okay, 1 hour is fine, but other than that, it is monthly time frame, so it means that you have to hold it for a very long time. It can be 6 months, 1 year, 2 year, 3 year. So this pattern is for long term, it's for positional trading. Okay, because this pattern is so huge, right? It has taken 12 years, which means that when there is a breakout, there is going to be a lot of buyers, and not all the buyers will come here. They might also come after some point of time, which means that you have to hold the trade. Okay, and yes, we were able to capture this stock already. This was posted almost 10 days back, and few of them have captured around 4% and 5%. So in case if you're interested in joining our community, feel free to check my website justfortraders.in. You will find all the information above. Okay, so please make sure to like that button, and a lot of effort goes into this editing, and I'll come back again with another video, and please let me know in the comment section if you have any doubts. So see you soon with another video. Thank you so much, and also subscribe to this channel, guys. Thank you.